Hi, my name is Florence Tamale Frazier. I'm currently a student at Bellevue College pursuing a Bachelor's of Science in Healthcare Management and Leadership. I currently have an associate in Applied Sciences, pre-nursing, and I'm also a certified nursing assistant. My experiences as a CNA have shaped me with the ability to adapt to different encounters and challenges that every day brings, and be able to do my work without any adverse effects on the patients in my practice. I have a strong work ethic as my job has exposed me to work during times of staff shortages and staff schedules, which are common in the healthcare industry and facilities, and still be able to provide the patients with an environment that is calm so as to successfully care for their well-being. Working in the healthcare industry is my calling. My purpose and passion of helping others that are sick and hurting is clear. I therefore believe I'm compassionate, kind, and patient. These virtues I also bring with me from my experiences at home, as I have children with disabilities too. I have a deeper sense of what it means to care for someone that is hurting every day, be it directly or indirectly. And I'm hoping to get an internship in this industry. I have a good sense of humor. Laughing can manage anxiety and it can reduce tension and strengthen the immune system. I have good communication skills as I have had the experience and practice to communicate with a variety of audiences in a healthcare setting. I'm respectful and have also acquired a high tolerance for squeamish tasks. Thank you.